This is the spiral review for number 3, translating expressions. Number 1 says to indicate what math symbol the words are describing, which math operation. Sum is addition, product is multiplication, decrease by subtraction, quotient is division, increase by is addition, difference is subtraction, more than is addition, you technically flip it, but you don't have to because it's commutative property of addition. Less than is definitely subtract, you flip it. Less than flips it, less than flips it, less than flips it, less than flips it. Twice something means times 2, not squared. Times itself would be squared. Twice something is times 2. These ones ask us to write an English sentence for the algebraic expression. I would say, well, it's tricky because a sentence needs to have a subject and a verb. Sentence would imply that they're all equations, but since these are all expressions, we can't really write a sentence. We would more write a English phrase. So this phrase would be a number times another number. This one I could say twice a number, or the product of a number and 2. This would be, I could say, a number decreased by 6, or I'm going to say 6 less than a number. That's right, less than flips it, less than flips it, less than flips it. This one is, I could say 7 more than a number. I could say the sum of a number and 7. I'm going to say a number increased by 7. This one is just a number cubed. A number cubed to the 3rd power. I'll say the product of 8 and a number squared, which would be the product multiplication of a number of 8 and some number squared. So a whole bunch of sentences you could have said. Those are the ones that I chose for this one. These are the opposite. We have a verbal expression, we want to write an algebraic expression, in other words, translated to math, quote unquote. 8 less than a number. Again, one of the favorites. 8 less than a number. 17. The quotient would be division of m and n. The quotient of m and n. Or you could have said the quotient of m and n. Excuse me, 18. 9 times a number, 9 times a number. 19. 7 more than the cube of a number. So a number cubed, the cube of a number. The product of twice a and b. The product of twice a and b. 2 less than 5 times a number. Move down. We're on to 22, I believe. Yep. The sum, which means addition, the sum of 3 times a and b. So it's the sum of these two things. The addition of this and that. 2 times, so 2 times is multiplication, 2 times the square root of a number plus 2. Now I can see you arguing me that one, so it's 2 times the entire quantity. It's hard to argue with stuff like this, where commas and stuff helps out. I would say 2 times the square root of a number plus 2, but I can hear you saying 2 times the square of a number plus 2, so the square of the whole thing. It's hard to say without the word quantity. Either one would probably be accepted. Going back up to number 24. A number increased by 7. A number increased by 7. Number 25, a number squared. Number 26, a number decreased by 3. 27, 1/2 of x increased by 7. 28, twice, so 2 times the entire difference. This one we have to do this way because twice the entire difference. Double the difference. Well, double the quantity of the difference of a and 4. So twice the entire difference. Not just twice a, twice the entire difference of a and 4. Number 29, let me move this out of the way. Twice a number, 2 times a number, that's where it's different, increased by 3 times the same number, it looks like. Increased by 3 times. So twice a number increased by 3 times the same number. And the last two, 3 times the sum, so this is 3 times multiplication of the entire sum of A and 2. So 3 times the entire sum. And then the difference of B cubed, the difference between subtraction of B cubed and 6. The difference between B cubed and 6.